We about to go on a little adventure with a friend. Basically, it's like some moto meet, something like that. Yeah, it's like a mini moto meet or something like that. She invited me to it, so I was like, fuck it, I'll go. See what's up. This is the first moto vlog in the new helmet. Let me tell you, boy, this rock helmet is tight. This shit is tight. But we'll see how it goes. But yeah, at least what I have on my helmet, it kind of restricts my like turn to the left. Can't really turn to the left. It kind of hits my shoulder with the Senna. Might have to move it. It's not too bad, but when I get into a turn, you know, that's kind of all I'm worried about. Hopefully this audio turns out well. I can't tell if that front bin is open or closed. I'm gonna have to look it up. I would assume like it's so many ways it can go. Like my thought process is like if I have it up, it's closed, and if you pull it down, it's open, right? But it could also be that maybe the attachment that's in there, when you pull it up, wait, I'm trying to tell from fog, but it's fogging up regardless if it's open or not. We have it up, so hopefully that's
I don't think you have any idea how fast
right.
I really am. I'm fast as fuck, boy. I'm fast as fuck, boy.
Okay, bro. My bike so much, man. I love my bike so much. Ah, she's just wonderful, man. Best 600 out here, I swear to you. And we are gonna get going. What is going on here? I'm definitely gonna get one of these Groms. So I can learn how to wheelie. Yeah, man, I need a Grom so I can have as much fun as she's having. I love how loud my bike is. It's just like, yeah, rev it. Oh, she said her max speed is like 60, I think. Oh my god. I have to get one of those. The last time I rode a Grom, I didn't really like it. It's cause it's like that. I'm like, I need more people to motovlog, man. I'm the only one out here. I'm the only one in all of North Carolina, man. At least that I know of. I haven't seen anything. And trust me, I watch a lot of motorcycle videos. I watch a lot of motor vloggers. I support all of them, damn near. I've yet to find one in North Carolina or near Charlotte. Shout out to my boy Secure Cutlow though. He gonna come out here for a ride. I think he's out in Atlanta. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go down there one time. I done heard some things about Atlanta, so I'm gonna have to keep my I have to keep that thing on me out there. Anyway, if you guys haven't realized, this is the same person I met when I was leaving the car meet. Her name's Amy. Cool rider. Apparently she has like a 600, she has a 1000, and she has the Grom. Oh, that is clean.
Dude, that's big. Oh my god. What is that?
I don't know. About to find out.
I'm gonna find out too.
That is tight, bro. Huh?
I thought it was two different bikes I saw on Facebook, but it's one bike that's split in two.
Oh shit, you're right.
Yeah, because you know how I said on Facebook it was two?
Yeah.
It's one bike with both sides. That's fucking cool.
There's another guy I think here in Charlotte. He has like an Akatsuki bike.
Really?
Yeah.
What is it? Oh, is yours? It's fucking clean, man. Dude. It's good. It's awesome.
And he's a Gixxer, bro.
And then I think next time we do is the left side of the rim, and we get like this pattern, then the right side of the rim.
Oh my goodness, yeah. Where did you get that from?
Even God,
If not, the bitch is finished straight up.
Right on top.
I think it was from Hot Topic. Either Hot Topic or Spencer.
And then I had like the main bad guy. I can't remember his name, but
Oh, yeah.
like his head broke off. I was like, oh,
Oh shit, you even got the hoodie.
yep, I got it.
Don't hit the bike, bro. It's clean, bro. Yeah, we almost dropped the bike, doc. Oh man, that would have been so bad. See, man, like I'm learning wheelies, guys. I'm learning them in parking lots. One day, I'll be clutch upping with the best of them. That control is just insane, dude. I'm definitely gonna get a Grom. I'm definitely gonna get a Grom. Or I think my friend is gonna get one, and I'm gonna just wheelie his. I'll probably put in some cash on the on his cage, and yeah. Get it, bro. Get it. Nice, dude. Yeah. You always gotta stay vigilant. Make sure, you know, nobody flying up behind you and you're getting over or whatever. Get your ass clapped real quick, man. Seen it happen. I didn't seen it happen. You don't want to go out like that. Dead. I love my tires too much. Oh, rolling burnout, like, that's something I would want to learn. Yeah. That is clean, bro. That is fucking sick, dude.
Look, how much save money, live better.
$2?
No, that's serious, like $2. $2.50 or something, I don't know.
Alright.
Yeah, there you go. I'll tell you. $2, bro. Save money, live better. Oh, shit.
Oh.
What? I know, I spilled it.
Oh.
Did you get me a Gatorade? Give me a red one.
Man. I have this night visor on. This bad boy is... I think it's still that new helmet effect. Yee. Ah. Dude, this is so much fun. Like, riding at night, man. I can't wait till the summer, man. Fucker, dude. He didn't even look. He just went.